Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Phantom wallet account. Phantom is a cryptocurrency wallet that is designed to offer a user-friendly interface for managing your digital assets. In order to log into your Phantom wallet account, first you'll need to open your Phantom app. The first interface of Phantom wallet will look like this. Now you have two options to create a new wallet and import an existing wallet. Now we'll have to tap on the second option, import an existing wallet, since we are going to log into our Phantom wallet account. Make sure you remember your secret recovery phrases. If you have first created your account with fingerprint or face ID, you'll have to toggle on the device option. Otherwise, you can tap on the next option. Here, you can import your existing wallet with your secret phrase, private key or hardware wallet. You'll have to tap on the first option in order to import wallet with your secret recovery phrase. Then in the given box, you'll need to type in the 12 secret recovery phrases that you first signed up with. After you typed in all your recovery phrases, you'll have to tap on the import secret phrase. Now, you'll have to tap on continue option. Then you are successfully logged in to your Phantom wallet account. Here, you'll need to agree to the terms of service by tapping on the circle and tapping on the Get Started button. You'll be asked if you want notification from the app or not. If you want to enable it, click on Enable, or you can tap on Not Now. After that, you'll have to tap on Understood option. And just like that, you have successfully logged into your Phantom wallet account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Phantom wallet account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.